स्टॉक मार्केट से रिलेटेड सारी लेटेस्ट न्यूज एंड अपडेट्स ताकि आप बन सको नंबर वन ट्रेडर। आज की स्टॉक मार्केट खबरों में हम आपको लेकर आए हैं वेदांता एंड जेके सीमेंट के बारे में। वेदांता Vedanta Iron Ore Karnataka has partnered with Volvo CE to deploy zero-emission electric off-road machines at its mines in Chitradurga in Karnataka. As part of the partnership, Vedanta Iron Ore Karnataka IOK has deployed Volvo's EC55 all-electric excavator and its subsidiary SDLG's L956H electric wheel loader for its iron ore mining operations in the state on a trial basis. JK Cement. The company on Monday said it will acquire a 100% stake in Toshali Cements Private Limited for Rs 157 crore in order to expand its footprint into the eastern region. JK Cement said the company has empowered the committee of directors to do the needful once the conditions are achieved. After the acquisition, Toshali will become a subsidiary of the company. अभी के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं कुछ और न्यू मार्केट अपडेट्स के साथ।